You got a lot? Let me see. Ooh, the locust. Cicadas. Ooh, there's another one. Ew. Pooped on you?
Pee-pee.
Oh, gross. I see it. I'm seeing it.
Now let's go to a different tree.
Hey, listen. There's one on the ground over there.
Where?
Over there behind the tree. You see him? Well,
Oh.
there's one, but that's not the one I was talking about. Right beside the tree, Levi. Walk up behind the tree. I know, Lindsay, I see you. You see him?
See it.
Okay. Get him, get him.
Get him. Ah! I like those.
Yeah.
Quit it.
Levi, that's not the one I was talking about either, baby. Hear me? Oh, Levi, I was talking about this one.
You can have one in a minute.
Lindsay, it's okay, baby. Hang on. Let's see how many we can catch. There's one right there.
I get it.
Okay.
Yeah. Bring it to me. No.
Well, you told her she could have one.
I found another one.
She got another one. Bring your truck. Where is it? There was a bunch of them, Levi, on the ground right here. Did y'all get them all? Huh?
You did.
Lindsay did?
I think another one.
You did?
I just said I think Lindsay did.
Oh, okay. Put it in the truck, Lindsay.
No. Yes.
Hardhead. All right, which tree do y'all think will have a bunch of them on it?
Oh no.
Come on, Lindsay, let's go look on these trees over here. Come on.
That was back.
Oh, no.
Look at this.
Oh, my
Look
goodness.
at this.
What is it?
He was on his back.
Oh, no. That's weird.
See that one? Was he just on there? They was on back. Look at them.
Oh, they're trying to climb up, aren't they? Let's go find some more. Oh, here's one. Here's one.
Oh, I can't Lindsay, he can fly good. Lindsay! Put it on the truck!
Let's find some more. Huh?
That means
Yeah.
we have a collection of locusts.
That's right, you do.
Yeah. Come on, bring it to me. Okay. Right in there.
Oh, here's one. Here's one.
Get it.
You see him? Right there. See him? Good job, Lindsay. Go put him in the truck.
Okay. I don't put him in a truck. I got another one.
That's funny.
Let's find another one.
Yeah, let's find another one.